In this video, I will be sharing with you a simple and easy way to earn money online by completing simple tasks. Yes, you heard it right. You can make money just by completing small and easy tasks. Now, let's get started. The website we will be using is called Swagbucks. It is a legitimate and trusted website that has been around for a long time. It offers a variety of tasks that you can complete to earn points, which can later be redeemed for cash or gift cards. The first thing you need to do is sign up for a free account on Swagbucks. Once you have signed up, you will have access to various tasks such as surveys, watching videos, playing games, and many more. Completing each task will earn you points, and the more tasks you complete, the more points you will earn. You can redeem your points for cash or gift cards from popular retailers such as Amazon, Walmart, and many more. One of the easiest ways to earn points on Swagbucks is by taking surveys. Surveys are usually short and easy to complete, and each survey can earn you anywhere from 50 to 500 points. Another great way to earn points is by watching videos. You can watch a variety of videos on Swagbucks, such as news, entertainment, and sports. Each video you watch will earn you a certain number of points. Swagbucks is a website that offers various opportunities to earn points, which can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. One of the easiest ways to earn points on Swagbucks is by answering daily polls. These polls are quick and easy, and each one can earn you 1 point. Daily polls are short surveys that ask you to answer a simple question or express your opinion on a certain topic. The questions can range from your favorite color to your opinion on a recent news story. Answering these polls takes only a few seconds, and you can earn points without having to spend a lot of time or effort. In addition to daily polls, Swagbucks also offers cashback for shopping online through their website. This means that if you shop at a participating retailer through Swagbucks, you will earn cashback on your purchases. Swagbucks has partnerships with many popular retailers, including Amazon, Walmart, and Target. The amount of cashback you can earn varies depending on the retailer and the products you purchase. Swagbucks also offers bonuses for reaching certain milestones. For example, if you earn 500 points in a day, you will receive a bonus of 100 points. These bonuses are a great way to boost your earnings and motivate you to complete more tasks on the website. Another way to earn points on Swagbucks is by referring your friends. When you refer a friend to Swagbucks, you will earn a percentage of the points they earn for as long as they remain a member. This can be a great way to earn passive income without having to do any additional work. Daily polls, cashback for shopping, and bonuses for reaching milestones are just a few of the ways you can earn points on the website. Now you might be wondering how much money you can actually make on Swagbucks. Well, the answer to that question depends on how much time and effort you're willing to put in. The more tasks you complete, the more points you will earn, and the more points you earn, the more money you can redeem. On average, if you complete tasks regularly on Swagbucks, you can easily earn $50 to $100 per month. However, keep in mind that this is just an estimate, and your earnings may vary depending on the types of tasks you complete, the time you spend on the website, and the offers available at any given time. To maximize your earnings on Swagbucks, it's important to keep an eye out for special offers and promotions. For example, Swagbucks occasionally offers bonus points for completing a certain number of tasks within a specified time period. They may also offer increased cashback rates for shopping at specific retailers or completing specific tasks. It's also important to diversify the types of tasks you complete on Swagbucks. Don't just rely on one type of task, such as surveys, to earn points. Instead, try a variety of tasks such as watching videos, playing games, or shopping online through the website. This will increase your chances of earning more points and ultimately more money. And that's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future opportunities to make money online. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.